Here's a question for you. Do you feed your skin like you feed yourself? Just like your food, it's important to pay attention to the ingredients that you put on your skin. At least that's what beauty expert Michelle Phillips tells us. And she's here to introduce us to powerful skincare products that use pure, proven, plant-powered ingredients. I don't think we think about this enough.
No. Recently I read a study according to the CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control, that when we put products on our skin, face, body, it only takes 26 seconds for chemicals to absorb into our bloodstream.
Lovely.
Isn't that fabulous? So we really need to think about what we're putting on our body.
And you look at some of these products and like the list of ingredients, you don't even know what they are.
You don't, exactly, which I can always break those down for you, by the way. You can always email me or reach me through my website if you have any questions. But I did bring along, excuse me, some of my favorite products that I love that are plant-based, they're pure, they're proven, that they're 100% chemical-free, toxin-free, exactly.
Okay, well, let's get to it.
Yeah,
you brought a lot.
First of all, I want to talk about serums because I am a huge advocate. We talked about this last week about applying serums to your skin. And serums are something that you use either by themselves or to give your skin an extra boost before you use your moisturizer.
Okay.
I use one morning and night, and I use different ones depending upon what my skin needs are that day.
Okay.
So I keep several on hand. One of my favorites is Mamay Naturals, and what this is it's called Dewdrops of Thyme. It's a multi-corrective power serum. Now this is made with orange stem cells, vitamin C, botanically derived hyaluronic acid, which we all know is a great nature's moisturizer, and natural jojoba oil. So the orange stem cell really helps brighten the skin tone, helps exfoliate the skin, moisturize and hydrate the skin, and the combination of all the ingredients I've mentioned really improve help build collagen, improve the overall appearance of your skin, brighten skin tone, and really helps with hyperpigmentation and fine lines and wrinkles.
Oh, I like
I love this. And it's a very thin serum, so when you put it in, put it on your skin, it absorbs in the skin. Exactly. I love to use it in the morning. Okay, so the next one, this is a really cool one too. This is Cobalt Honey Sweet C Serum, and this is a luxurious, high-performing serum that combines honey, propolis, and royal jelly, all derived from bees, and vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and more ingredients. I don't have time to mention them all. But what this does, it helps even out the skin tone, heal and balance the skin, which is what that honey does for your skin.
You hear how good honey is,
healing. It also helps improve the appearance of your skin, fine lines and wrinkles, hydrates and soothes. This is also really good if you have problematic skin. I'm fighting, you know, aging, and I have acne at times.
Lovely.
So this is a really good serum if you have, you know, just want to soothe your skin, if you have sensitive skin too. Now, the Kokomi body stick. This is so cool.
I've not heard of this.
Okay, so this is coconut oil and beeswax. But this is 100% organic coconut oil and beeswax. The coconut oil...
Is this like a moisturizer? Like, what's the purpose of this?
So this is to moisturize your body, your face, your hair. I mean, this has so many incredible moisturizing properties, anti-aging. It basically helps treat acne. It helps, you can use it as a moisturizer. You can use this to use instead of a shaving cream, because coconut oil really is nature's, like, it's a great way to moisturize your skin.
Everyone's loving it. And
exactly. Now the thing is, with coconut oil, you have to be very careful about what type of coconut oil you use on your skin, because if you don't use the correct one, it doesn't give you the same benefits. The Kokomi body stick has gotten their coconut oil from the Philippines, which is known throughout the world as having the most powerful nutrients.
High-quality one.
Same with the beeswax. It's from the northwestern part of the USA. So this is great because it's a stick. You can use it on your face, your body, wherever you'd like.
All right.
Love this.
We only have about 30 seconds. Let's see if we can get these in.
Clinical is a great botanically based skincare line. I love this warm honey cleanser. I use it every morning and night. It contains the pure raw honey, the royal jelly, the propolis I was talking to you about earlier. Leaves your skin ultra hydrated and moisturized. And then last but not least, this is my nighttime cream. This is the bomb. It is the Youth Intense Cream. And what this does is it has copper peptides, growth factors, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. It gives you 24-hour moisture. It actually strengthens the skin, and you see a visible difference in the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles after using this for several weeks. I love this. I mean, I wish I could bathe my whole body in it, but it's
Probably could.
it's a little bit expensive to do that.
Well,
anyway.
can people contact you and go, okay, here's my issues, like what do you
Please.
suggest?
Go to my website, michellephillips.com, or Instagram, Michelle Phillips Beauty. I would love to answer questions and even here on the air as well. So,
okay.
thanks.
Great stuff. Thanks for coming in. We always love when you're here.
you.
Thank you, Michelle. We'll put her info on our website as well.
First.